Pillen Precision specializes in delivering high-precision machining parts and is renowned in markets like the flow and gas meter industry, linear industry and medical equipment industry. Requests are assessed by our technical specialists for feasibility. Additional customer wishes and needs are then discussed, focusing on tolerances and material choices to produce an accurate price calculation. Series volumes and desired delivery times play an essential role in this. Throughout the production process, progress is carefully monitored through our professional ERP system. In the technical work preparation, assignments are converted into simulations and programs. The best and most efficient hardware tooling is then prepared for production. The production process starts with sawing the materials on our CNC-controlled saw benches. The production environment at Pillen Precision is fully air-conditioned to guarantee constant quality. The production facilities include complete 24/7 processes. There are also processes in which individual pieces and series are produced, sometimes using cobots or robots. Continuous attention is devoted to efficiency and quality assurance, taking batch sizes into account. Our specialists can mechanically process products in lengths up to 3,200 millimeters. Specific tooling choices are made for the processing of different types of material, alloys, extrusion parts and cast parts to guarantee the diversity of tolerances. Pillen Precision has a Ventil test bench where pressure vessels can be tested under 250 bar water pressure. A leak detector is used to identify any leaks. Products can also be degreased or cleaned according to customer requirements using modern ultrasonic cleaning machines. Our quality department can accurately check the parts during and after the production process. The process and product quality are inspected and secured in an internal quality management system. FMEA procedures are aimed at organizing processes and deliveries as efficiently as possible.